You have the strength within you to succeed. This workout is for all fitness levels. That is a promise. Every exercise is designed to be accessible and effective. If you're a beginner, this routine is challenging but achievable. If you're returning after a break, this eases your body back into movement. For seniors, this improves heart health and mobility without stressing joints. No complex choreography, no heavy equipment needed. All you need is a small space, a positive mindset, and the willingness to try. Your living room is your new gym. Today's session is a 25-minute fat-burning cardio workout. It will get your heart rate up, burn calories, and boost your energy for the rest of the day. The structure is simple and easy to follow. We will begin with a thorough warm-up to prepare your muscles and joints. Then the main cardio set, building intensity gradually. Finally, a crucial cool down to help your body recover and improve flexibility. Listen to my voice, focus on my cues. Let's get ready to work and build a foundation for a lifetime of fitness. The warm-up begins now. Its purpose is to gently increase your heart rate, warm up your muscles, lubricate your joints. We are preparing the body for the work to come. We will start with the simplest, most effective movement, marching in place. Stand tall in your strong posture, core engaged, chest open. Begin by lifting one knee, then the other. It is just like walking, but you are staying in one spot. Keep your feet light. Let's set the tempo. We are starting slow and controlled. Lift your knees to a comfortable height. If you are a beginner, maybe that is just a few inches off the floor. That